Hello and welcome again. This is Bishnu Mahali, and you're listening to the Bishnu Mahali Show. And in this podcast episode, let's talk about the latest Google algorithm update, which is called BERT, BERT. So please be aware that it's just a casual conversation, not a data-based, conversation or like that, something like that. So please be aware of that. So if you look at the algorithm, how it works or how it is changing the search result, then you will realize that the algorithm now understand the paragraphs or sentences like a human. Not completely, but obviously it will improve by time because the algorithm can learn. So that's the thing. And if you closely think about it, then the websites which were using keywords and things like that just for SEO purposes may get a penalty or may lose their rank. Why? Because now it can understand if you are including keyword just for the SEO purpose, or it is really relevant or conversational or whatever to the topic. I mean, it must be natural to the article or the paragraph you are writing. If not, Google will understand that you are just forcing keywords to do the SEO. So in that case, you might lose your traffic. There is no penalty or such thing right now, but it might affect your website. So don't force yourself to do SEO. I mean, don't include keywords just for the sake of SEO. You must write articles naturally and then think about SEO, right? You don't have to think about SEO then write article. You get the point, I guess. So that's the thing. I mean, those websites may get affected, and some affiliate websites may get affected as well, because it can now understand the affiliate links very distinctly with the sponsored tag or something like that, relative attribute. So it can understand affiliate links. So I think you should not use affiliate links too much on your pages. I mean, reduce it to a certain number, don't use extensively, and make sure you write natural blog post. Don't overdo it. I mean, don't include keywords by just forcing it. For example, the Yoast SEO plugin suggests that you must include the keyword in your first paragraph. So a lot of users, just to get the score high, they include the keyword without thinking about the quality of the article or including it naturally. They just write a city sentence. I mean, just include a sentence to rank for the keyword. So this is the thing that a lot of writers do, the newbie, or who don't understand the SEO completely. So these are the things that you should be avoiding in the upcoming days. And if you have done it in your articles already, you might need to update the articles. So this is the new thing that is coming with the BERT, coming right your way with the BERT update. And as soon as I'll have the tested and data driven results, I'll share that as well. But this is just a conversation based on my understanding of the algorithm. So yeah, that was it. Please update your articles, lower the number of affiliate links, and be natural while writing. So that was the tip for today. And please do subscribe to the podcast or YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram or whatever. I'll be very very thankful to you. Thank you so much for listening to this episode. See you again.